Good morning, friends. Today is Sunday. I just brewed some coffee. It's 8:30. I don't normally get up this early on a Sunday, but I have to get my upload ready. So I'm just getting some coffee now and then finishing reading my Bible, and then I'll probably just chill for the day after I upload the video. I'm about to start some laundry. I like to do my laundry on Sundays, so I'm gonna do some laundry and pick up my bedroom because it's a mess. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a little bagel with this Dave's Epic Everything bagel. It says it has 13 grams of protein, 26 grams of whole grains, and then it's topped with flax, chia, sesame, poppy, garlic, and onion. Sounds so good. And I'm gonna use some of my almond butter. Let me show you my almond butter. This is Sam's Choice creamy almond butter. I got it at Walmart, so I'm assuming this is like the Walmart brand or like the Sam's Club brand. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this. It's nice and smooth. Well, I've actually already tried it, but I should say I'm excited to try it on my bagel. I dipped my chocolate in it the other night. It was so good, so hopefully it's good this way too.
It's beautiful. Look at all the seeds, and they don't fall off either.
Okay, here's the bagel. I'll let you know how it is with almond butter. Okay, let's see. Not as good as peanut butter would be, but it's still good. My goal for today is to drink 5 of these. I'm on number 2. This is my second one, so. All right, I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos, and then when I get back up, I will catch up with you guys. I literally should have got an ice cream cone. It's been ages since I've got something from the ice cream truck. Brings back memories, dude. Everybody compliments this water bottle. My mom got it for me from Starbucks with her Star Rewards. She always uses her Star Rewards on me, which I think is really nice. Thanks, Mom. Yeah, so this water bottle is so cute. The only thing is I don't like that it doesn't keep my water cold very long. I have to drink it pretty quickly, which I guess is good motivation to like drink faster. And this is water number 3. So earlier I said I wanted to drink 5, so now I'm on 3 and it's only 1:30, so we're doing really good. Maybe I could get a 6th one in. I don't want to get ahead of myself. I always do that and then I don't even meet the first goal. I just pulled up to the Goodwill. I am here because I want to my hair in this vlog, my hair is like so crazy in this vlog, but I am trying to find some stuff for my new celebrity thrift flip video that I'm going to be doing probably within the first couple of, well, I don't know, it'll probably be like my first video of August. And I want to start kind of like getting an idea of what outfits I want to do now. And like sometimes it's hard to find stuff at the thrift shop. You know, it's always like very hit or miss. So I thought that instead of being stressed out kind of like I was for the Kim Kardashian one, trying to do it all in one day. Well, it's not that I was stressed, it's just it wasn't as like leisurely, you know? Like I want it to be easy. I think I'm gonna have to like shop a little bit ahead of time, and then put the outfits together a little bit ahead of time too, like a little bit at a time rather than like everything all at once. So that's what I'm here for now. I have my pictures picked out already, so that's one good step in the right direction. I brought my mask and I'm gonna head in now.